Now we said the homework page 249 Tuesday. خلاص? So you have the homework. So the first thing you have homework page 200 what? هذا where it use day. خلاص؟ مظبوط؟ طيب. Second thing you have today is you have online assignment. It started from 2 p.m. Today expires on Monday at 11 p.m. Done? You have social, you have kada, you have 5 days. You can do your homework, you can do your online assignment. But take my advice, do not do the online assignment directly. Revise the latest 3 or 4 lessons, then do the online assignment. Start practicing your exams. Done? Revise, then do the online assignment. مش أول ما تروح يلا online assignment. لا. ادرس بعدين اعمل online assignment. Get it? Yeah, let's take our lesson now, which is subtract linear expressions. Prepare your books in that lesson, please. So we are on page 251. Yeah. Module 5, lesson 3, right? Yes. Subtract linear expressions. Page 251, and today we are in 14 October. Okay. Now focus with me, please. Now in the previous lesson we took adding of linear expressions, right? We add the like terms together. صح? Here we have 2 ideas. First idea, how to find something, we call it, and we took it for integers. If you remember, we call it additive inverse. Now let's remember together, what's the additive inverse? The additive inverse, we change the sign of the number. The additive inverse of 8 is negative 8. The additive inverse of negative 7. If you add 8 with negative 8, the answer is 0. Now, if you add the number with its additive inverse, 0, 8 plus minus 8 is 0. Negative 7 plus 7, command 0, right? Subtract with the bigger sign, remember? What's the bigger sign of 7 and 7? 7 and 7, mean the bigger sign. 0. في bigger sign? My 7 get the 7, كيف bigger sign? I'm not talking about what's the bigger number of 7 and negative 7. 7 أكبر. But I'm talking about the sign. So here the 0 has no sign. 0 only. ما فيش positive 0. ما فيش negative 0. Right? So in the numbers, to find the additive inverse, we change the sign of the number. If it's positive, it will be. If it's negative, it will be. Today also, the first idea, we will find the additive inverse of linear expression. يلا ركز معي هلا. ها plus 7. Why? I'm asking you now. Negative 7 plus 7. How much? How we do it? How we do it? Negative 7 plus 7. How we do it? Mahsen.
Negative plus positive is negative. I know like that, but I remember before you make number line or something.
طلع انت شايف الايدين ولا لا؟ How we do plus 8 plus 7 minus 7. How we do it يا عمر؟ We subtract with the bigger sign مش هيك؟ صح؟ طيب subtract.
I know that, but I remember when we take that before you make number line or something.
خلك من النمبر لاين. انا الان انت سالتني ليش زيرو؟ ايش دخل النمبر لاين؟ سالتني ليش زيرو صح؟ بقول لك نيجاتيف 7 بلس 7 ايكوال وات؟ ليه؟ طيب ايش المشكله؟ واتس يور بروبلم يعني لغايه الان انا مش فاهم. ثانك يو. طيب now this before I erase that the additive inverse for numbers طيب now we will find the additive inverse for ركز معي هون to find the additive inverse and I will call it additive AI. شو يعني AI? Additive yeah to find the additive inverse for a linear expression. شو بعمل؟ multiply the linear expression by negative 1. example عشان تفهم صح؟ يلا طلع الاكزامبل هذا من احلى. example find the additive inverse for this linear expression negative 5x plus 8. So I gave you linear expression. I want you to find what? The additive inverse صح? Now let's read our note. Our note said to find the additive inverse for a linear expression, multiply this linear expression by what? So this is the linear expression. I will multiply it by negative 1 مش 1 يا حبيبي يا ريان ماشي؟ يلا find the additive inverse for this. So Mr. It's example from me. Did I wrote example 1 here? Did I wrote example 1? Yeah. So find the additive inverse for what? For this linear expression. Again, to find the additive inverse for a linear expression, multiply the linear expression by. So I will multiply this by what? Yeah. So here, additive inverse equal. Additive inverse equal negative 1 multiply the linear expression, right? Right? Now we took the expansion, remember? we distribute the number outside the bracket to the numbers inside the bracket. مش هيك؟ ها مش خدنا هذا؟ And here what we have between -1 and the bracket? Multiply. Let's multiply. This is equal -1 multiply -5 positive x طبعا. -1 multiply +8. This is the additive inverse. نعم. Yes, you can. Just change the signs inside that expression. في مشكلة؟ ها؟ Negative 5x becomes what? Well, positive 8 becomes what? ايش المشكلة؟ طيب, in the numbers, when we add the number and its additive inverse, the answer is always what? 0. مالكم خايفين 0. Okay. طب, is this valid for the algebraic expression? Yes. Let's add. We took addition, right? Let's add the algebraic expression, and it is what? -5x plus 5x 0 plus 8 minus 8. Example 1. Example 1. Yeah. Example 1. We are on page. Find the additive inverse for. Find additive inverse for the algebraic expression given 5x minus 7. صح? Yeah. We want to find the additive inverse of this one. So, to find the additive inverse of a linear expression, multiply it by normal situation. Yeah, let's go to our example. So the additive inverse equal -1 multiply the expression, right? Equal -1 multiply 5x. -1 multiply negative. Is this clear? You have check after example 1. Do it correct. You have check after example 1. Do it please. Okay. Yes يا شكرا. إذا خلينا نشوف الكويستشن تنشوف الانسر. يلا. In the check. Yeah, we have check after example 1. Let's do it together. It's in the same page, right? Yalla, find the additive inverse of -7 plus 3. -7 plus 3. Yalla ya Shukri. إذا هي x. يا شكري. What I will do? -1 multiply the parentheses, right? -7x plus 3 equal Negative 1 multiply negative 7x, positive 7x, right? Negative 1 multiply positive 3. But to check our answer, add the original expression with its what? Additive inverse. The answer should be 0. Yeah, negative 7x here. Plus 7x, negative 7x plus 7x, 0. Positive 3 minus 3, 0. So your additive inverse is correct. Okay? So this is the first idea. The first idea is to find the additive inverse of a linear. The second idea now is to linear expression. Yes. No. لا. 0x كم؟ يعني 0 multiply x. وكم 0 multiply x؟ 0. 0 multiply anything مش 0. ايش معنى الاكس يعني بتخليها؟ يا اخي عليكم قصص. Hilal, don't do that again. If you do it again, you will be removed. طيب. Now, we did adding of linear expressions, right? طيب. In adding of linear expressions, remember, when we add 2x plus 8 plus 3x minus 9, remember? We said 2x plus 8 plus minus 9. Check. Instead of subtraction, we will do the same. We will subtract the like terms, but I will add, ركز. But I will add extra step to make you avoiding confusion. Okay? Yeah. Example from me, just to pay attention to the board. For example, if I want to find 7x plus 3 minus 2x plus 1. Muhsin. Yes. Yalla, how will do it? 7x with what?
With the negative 2x.
Yeah, 7x.
Negative 2
X. How much? We are subtracting, right? 5x, right? Wrong. So, to avoid confusion, because mostly the students don't pay attention to the sign between the bracket. Now, if the sign between the brackets is positive, the positive won't affect the other signs, but the negative affect the other signs. The negative, it comes to the negative, it turn it to, and the negative, it comes to the positive, it turn it to. So the first extra step which we will add is the following: equal. Now here, the first bracket, the first parenthesis, do we have anything before it? So stay the same, yeah? Without parenthesis. ما بيأثر. Now I will distribute mean the negative as we did in the additive inverse. Now negative مع النيجاتيف شو بتصير؟ negative with positive. فهمنا؟ After I do this step makes me to avoid what? Confusion. عشان ما أخربط. أو بتعملها الآن ready. 7x with what? How much? 9x. 3 minus 1. 3. 3 minus 1 is 3 صح؟ صح؟ بيقول لي صح؟ يلا equal 7x plus 2x 5x 3 minus 1 plus يا زلمه وانتم اللي بدرسكم بده يصير يخربط يعني اكيد يعني عادي 9x اوكي ايش بده هذا done فهمنا الايديا let's do example 1 now example sorry 2 example 2 we are on page 253 right find find 6x plus 5 minus 3x minus 2. Now in the addition, we didn't do this step, right? This step in the addition, we didn't do it. Why? Because the addition won't change the signs inside. خلاص خذ الساين اللي جوا ما بيأثر. So we do it directly. But in the subtraction, no. You need to get the negative inside. So this is equal. The first parenthesis is the same. Second parenthesis, distribute the negative. Negative on 3x, it will be negative on negative 2. Now make your adding or subtracting depending on the signs, right? Now, 6x minus 3x, 5 plus 2. Done? Did you understand example 2? طيب. Yes يا عبد الحميد وهشام.
Mr.
عبد الحميد
Can I
first.
answer?
عبد الحميد first.
Can I answer, Mr.?
Okay.
Mr. I want to answer after Abdul Hamid.
طيب. Both you will answer. 5x minus 9, 8 minus 11x minus 2. How we do it?
First, we will distribute the negative.
Okay, يلا distribute the negative. شو اكتب؟
The negative with the positive will be negative.
احكي لي شو اكتب هلا يلا.
Write the first parenthesis. I don't need now.
5x minus 8. Then
Distribute the negative. Write positive 11 x. Positive 11x. Negative, I mean.
يلا شو اكتب هلا بعد ال 8؟
Negative 11x.
Then
Positive 2.
good. Now what's the answer will be?
Negative 6.
ايوه.
Negative 6.
Negative another 6, right?
Yeah.
5x minus 11 negative 6x. Negative 8 plus 2 negative 6. ممتاز يا عبد الحميد. هشام, are you with me? هشام?
Yes, Mr. I am with you.
يلا هشام. This one.
We write equal the first parenthesis, we leave it alone.
8y plus 1. Then
We distribute the negatives.
I did.
We write positive 3y and positive 11.
Positive 3y, positive 11.
Mm.
Then
Equal 11, 11y
ايوه.
plus 12.
بس. Done.
Done.
Done. فهمنا الايديا؟
Yes.
فهمنا. هاي extra examples. Now mute yourself يا ابني and let's do the check of example 2 together. يلا. I did it. check page 253. That they want us to find negative 3x. عارف شو أكثر إشي بكره بحياتي؟ إنه هذه حدا يحكي 3 لحالها أو نيجاتيف 3 لحالها أو x لحالها. اسمها نيجاتيف 3x مع بعض. يعني شو اسمك؟ بصيرش أقول مح واسكت أو سن وأسكت. محسن. It's one unit. Got it? So here, don't say negative 3. الموضوع بزعلني بشكل شخصي يعني. جد جد يعني بتضايق يعني بروح على السيارة بكون هيك متضايق زعلان. Okay? So negative 3x. Okay? Plus 9 minus 3x minus what? يلا minus 8x. على فكرة عن جد الضوء مش مزح هو عاكس هنا. minus 2 لا يا زلمة minus 7 right هيك مظبوط. negative 3 تعال. ها who can help me here? hands please. hands. طب يعني حاول try to. طيب يلا معاذ سمعني صوتك يا معاذ. distribute. ايوه يلا شو اكتب هلا؟ وين نيجاتيف 1؟ شايف نيجاتيف 1 عندك؟ هذا انزله هذا اعمل فيه شيء هذا؟ لا هذا زي ما هو صح؟ هاي نيجاتيف 3x بلس 9 then ايوه وين ال1 وين ال1 ماشي يلا minus 1 اوكي then كم؟ لحظة شوي ليش كان not be؟ minus 1 multiply 8x ليش كان not be؟ ليه؟ I'm asking you why? Don't think. ما هي المشكلة نحن دائما بنحكي لكم ما حدا بيسمعني. انتوا لا تفكروا. ابني يا ابني اطلع الموضوع سهل كثير انت معقده على فكرة. فيش نيجاتيف 1 انساها النيجاتيف 1. نيجاتيف 1 عشان الاديتيف انفرس كنا نحط نيجاتيف 1. Here distribute مين؟ the negative itself distribute it inside. رش ملح distribute. يلا نيجاتيف ال8 هذه بوزيتيف ولا نيجاتيف؟ the negative on positive it will be but negative ايش؟ صعبة هاي. والنيجاتيف وير also شو بتصير؟ معلش هو ايش بتصير؟ ايش بتصير؟ ايوه عشان نحط بلس بصير نحط 7 هيك بدون شيء صح؟ نحط 7 بصير تحط 7 هيك خلص 7 مين نفسها بلس يا مستر؟ لا here the positive it turns to be what? operation. فهمت؟ يلا now what we do يا معاذ؟ ماشي ما هو ما فيش بلس بقى من عندك بس بنمشي لك يلا. negative 3x negative 8x how much؟ negative 3x with negative 8x. How much? Huh? ريان. لحظة شوي. أحمد ناجد. مظبوط. ما أخذنا same signs. We add and put the same sign. ماشي. We add and put the same sign. What's the same sign? So what's the answer? Negative 11x. صح؟ أنت هيك حكيت؟ لا. Negative 11x. طيب 9 plus 7. يلا positive 16. Okay guys, that's all for today. Don't do the homework of this lesson. Don't forget. معلش اهدى شوي. انتبه على البورد. انتبه على البورد. Don't forget homework page 200, the previous lesson, and the online assignment.